If you're experiencing FPS drops while playing Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Focus on settings like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve your FPS without sacrificing too much visual quality. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using CPU or memory resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate any programs that are not needed while gaming. Step 4. Check for overheating. Ensure that your computer is not overheating, as this can lead to throttling and reduced performance. Clean your system, its fans and vents, and consider using a cooling pad if you're on a laptop. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Battle.net, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Call of Duty. If problems persist, consider seeking further technical support or checking online forums for additional solutions.